guys! Today po ay mag-open tayo ng new phone, mini-me phone. Yan po. Let's go! Let's go! Let's open this phone. BM10 Nokia. Yan po siya. Mini-me Nokia. Mini-me. Mini-mini. Nokia po siya. Baka po sabihin nyo, hindi po yan tunay. Ito siya charger. Yan po siya. And then, ito po yung phone. Buksan po natin para makasagala. Totoo po to. Dual SIM po siya. Dual SIM. Ang battery, baka po sabihin nyo is hindi totoo. Yan po ang battery niya. And then, lalagyan po natin siya ng SIM card to make sure that they will work. Where's my SIM card? I'll put the SIM card. Guys, lagay na po natin ang SIM card. Insert po natin ang SIM card. Let's put the SIM card. I'll put my roaming SIM card. Yan, lock. And then, lagay natin yung battery. Put the battery. And close set. Open po. Power on. Waiting. Welcome. Yan po. This is real. So, isi-set up po natin yung yan, meron. Time. Nokia. Yung tipong di ito. Totoo po yan. Meron phone book, message, call some, media. Wow, I didn't know there may media siya. Let's check my files. Wow, may Bluetooth pa. Profile. It's silent. Service settings. Wow, it's so amazing, guys.